Thimbleberries are some of the first berries of the season, along with salmon berries. And this down here is salal, which they use in ornamentals. It's picked very heavily in this area. It's actually over-picked in this area. I need to zoom back out a little bit. It's part of the Olympic National Forest. I've been here before. A few times. Look at that moss-laden tree. Good thing it's kind of dried out now. I don't fare well when it's that damp. And here's another berry. This is the wild huckleberry, the red huckleberry. There's also a blue huckleberry that's very heavily picked and is just ready to come into season. And the sword ferns. Those are also used sometimes in ornamentals. So, I don't know why people come out and beat the trees up. Like they gotta make a point. You know, these poor trees. It's like, okay, I just need you for some support, okay? That's all I need. And no fires. So, yeah, here we go. I always leave a spare pair of boots behind. Make it look like somebody's there. So, have a great night.